Hello friends and welcome back to Musical Ventures. So today I'll show you all what all I shop at Masjid Bandar and at अपना वही नकोड़ा मोहल्ला, that is वहाँ Masjid Bandar side. So here I took a local and I went towards this Mumbai Central, मतलब ये Grand Road के ओर है. And then I went because I wanted to buy lots and lots of gadgets, and I get a lot of cheap gadgets at this area. Okay, so अभी ये this is at Lamington Road. So I went specially because since I'm into vlogging and my battery gets drained most of the time, so I wanted to buy a power bank. So I always purchase at this outlet only over here. So I went and I got a good outlet for a good deal of मतलब ये तो the make is of boat. So I purchased and the sellers also were very keen to come in the vlog. So then I purchased and I came out, and then when some other also gadgets which I purchased. तो पूरा शॉपिंग हो गया मेरा वहाँ का, हो गया 7-10 हज़ार का शॉपिंग उधर ही हो गया मेरा. एंड देन आई केम बैक टू द स्टेशन एंड देन आई हैड दिस वो रास्ते पे अपना जो मिलता है ठेले पे एप्पल जूस, mango juice and watermelon juice. So I had this apple wala. First I had the watermelon one, and then I had this apple, and then I got the Bombay local again to go the central side. So here I reached at my other destination, that is at Masjid Bandar. And in Masjid Bandar I have already explored and I have already had a vlog earlier with my Pulton 1-2 years back. So again I went and again I went shopping at the same places, but this time I went exploring a bit more interior because I wanted to go to the Loban market. So I like this color, but I did not like it because वो तो मतलब street shopping हो जाएगा, and then I can see any Tom, Dick and Harry wearing the same. और मस्जिद बंदर आऊँ और मस्जिद ना शूट करूँ तो कैसे हो सकता है. So I even captured the masjid over there. And this is the busiest street in Mumbai, I can say. Apart from the entire part of Mumbai, this I feel Masjid Bandar is the very much busiest street. So then I went forward, मतलब पूरे गचड़ी में I went forward, so I reached Nakoda Mohalla. And here Nakoda Mohalla you get all these churidar pieces, you get all these salwar suits and burqa and all those women's wear and even a kids wear. So इस इधर से इस गली से तो मुझे निकलना पड़ा, शॉर्टकट मार के आई वेंट फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज आई हैड टू गो टू द लोबान मार्केट. लोबान बाज़ार में जाना था, तो यहीं से गुजर के आगे बढ़ना था. And finally, after lots and lots of walking, dragging my feet, I reached at Loban market. But अभी भी थोड़ा टाइम था because this is the dry fruit market. So यहाँ पे full रास्ते पे you can see all dry fruits. I don't need to name them. मतलब देख के पता चलता है what all the dry fruits are there. And like since it is a very Muslim area, so you'll find all this that is used during Ramadan, and even पूजा का जो सामान भी होता है that also you get. Like Loban market also you get all जो पूजा करने का जो सामग्री रहता है, everything you get. Since it was 7 o'clock, Azan bhi ho gaya, so I got to hear the lovely voice of the Maulana as well. So now this is all the puja samagri ka section. You can see when the party items and all, you get everything over here. And now starts with the Loban Gali. So now this is all the Loban, Agarbatti, and then apna Bakur to I went specially to purchase from there, but I didn't get the one which is the authentic one because हमें तो आदत है always from Kuwait. Like my dad used to be working in Kuwait and we used to visit our dad in Kuwait. So my mom used to always pick up the authentic Bakur from Kuwait. So I didn't get the original authentic one, but I just picked a... Hi, Madhuri Dixit. So since I'm a big MD fan, I just got excited looking her picture on the jar. And yeah, this is the Bakur which I got, not that authentic. And then these are all the things that I purchased from the Loban market, and I got a good discount as well. And so ये हो गया, ये भी shopping हो गया मेरा from the Loban गली. And yeah, these are all the dhoop and everything. Then बारिश हो रही थी, it started raining, very torrential weather. So then I went to this Nagori cafeteria, and then you know this lovely gulab jamun, and then firni, and then there's this lassi and caramel pudding. But still I opted out to have the maska pav. So ये चाचा वहाँ पे मस्का लगा रहा था पाव में, and then he nicely slit it into 4 equal pieces. And then मतलब नगोरी का चाय and the ईरानी चाय, सॉरी नगोरी का बन, वो भी मस्का बन and ईरानी चाय. आई हाय व्हाट अ कॉम्बो यार. कभी तो मतलब ट्राई करना चाहिए यार, स्पेशली इफ यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम एनी अदर स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट, ऑलवेज गिव अ ट्राई. Now here this is Sunny, the famous bake house, and this is the bake studio, and then there's Hadia Sweets, and then there are all the lovely means very lovely restaurants which are there. I mean this Arabian Mandi, and then in the forward also when you go there is this Al Bayt, and then a bit forward there is this Jannat. There right in the forward you can see the yellow board. So in Jannat also you get lovely all this kebabs and all the chicken and meat items. I have मुंह में पानी आ गया यार. So I ate a shawarma and I forgot to capture it. And then I was walking forward, and then I saw this one cute girl was walking on the streets wearing मतलब पूरे yo-yo वाले style में, wearing shoes on नवारी साड़ी. And यहाँ पे पता नहीं है गांधी जी के 4 बंदर थे या तीन बंदर थे. यहाँ पे बेचारे 4 यहाँ पे टकले इधर बैठे हैं, तो पता नहीं किसके इंतज़ार में. एंड आई वॉज डन विथ माई शॉपिंग. सो पूरा मतलब हाटली पोटली हाथ में पकड़ के आई वेंट वॉकिंग. आगे चलते चलते मुझे मतलब यहाँ का मतलब अपना पुलिस चौकी दिखा, वो भी डोंगरी पुलिस स्टेशन. ये डोंगरी का राजा कौन पता नहीं, कोई तो होगा ना. Done with my shopping. So chalte I mean I was very tired but very happy as well. So then chalte I reached at Sandas Road. वो जो when they announce it is always they announce it like that. Then I went and I took my ticket. So अभी पूरा इसी पे होता है. So अभी booking counters also have become very less crowded because ये आराम से होता है. You just scan it and you have to pay for that. And आराम से मतलब हो गया. I know today's vlog might seem to be a bit boring, but that's all in today's vlog. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.